Automatic labeling boosts productivity and high-speed packaging just because it can be one of the most costly and time-consuming processes to try and perform semi-automatically or manually in a production environment. Labeling is obviously a key component of any sort of container packaging because not only are there regulatory bodies at play, you have to have key information as far as tracking, tracing product, lot date information, ingredient information, volume and weight information, things that have to be on your product. It's also the consumer-facing aspect of your brand. So it's important to get decorative labels on your product consistently for good, presence on a shelf at the point of interaction with the potential consumer. If you're manually applying a label to a product, it takes a lot of time to unstick a label, put it on consistently, make sure it's adhered, and move on. A lot of our smaller volume customers, that's the way that they start their business, putting labels on. It could be inconsistent, and labor-wise, it's very expensive. An automatic inline labeler is pretty easy to cost justify if the volume of your business is growing, just because you can reduce cost of labeling material by buying in roll stock in larger volumes. And then you can relieve the bottleneck of your production line and open yourself up for future capacity, because an automatic labeler will typically, as you are growing, have more than enough headroom to grow volume and automate the rest of your line around it. If you're doing a wrap labeler or a front back labeler, and approaching the 45 to 60 containers per minute rate, where you were doing it manually or semi-automatically at the maybe 10 or upper range of 20 products per minute, you've just increased a lot of efficiency and given yourself a lot of headroom with a low initial equipment investment compared to other automation machines on the line. A low investment that will cost justify quickly and give yourself plenty of capacity to grow into automation up and down the rest of your line.